It's almost 3 o'clock p.m. this afternoon. We got the LCSX m316-22 eastbound mixed freight train. It's coming approaching at Ammo Tower. There goes a locomotive right now. Right where we're passing me by. Yep, there goes the lash up. Right there. Yep, it is M316-22. I think you got it right. I think this is quite better. They're on the way to the Cumberland, Maryland yard, heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Here we go. There's a CSX 2-bay ton, 100-ton hopper card right there. I think for using for ballast rock train on it, in case. There goes the Army supplies military train to take them over. Today is the National Railroads Day event on this beautiful Tuesday, November 22nd, 2022, 2023. I meant 2022 on this season this fall, on this before Thanksgiving, before it won't last long. So there goes the cushion coil cars, a box cars, another one. And that's everything. 700 train of CSX M316-22 eastbound mixed freight train. That train originates from the Cincinnati, Ohio Queensgate Yard, heads east to the Cumberland, Maryland, where it terminates at terminal at the Cumberland Yard on this Tuesday, November 22nd, 2022. For Josh Rainey on my YouTube channel. So this is Josh Rainey, your local Central and Southern West Virginia rail fan, and we are out. Here comes the next video. Roll 'em.